Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is RJ Monica. Today we are in beautiful Colorado exploring the Royal Gorge and all the adrenaline packed and scenic experience it has to offer. From thrilling rides to breathtaking views, this place has it all. Before getting into the video, if you're new here, please do subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more such videos. Now, let's jump into the video. Starting with the iconic Royal Gorge Bridge. This suspension bridge sits 955 feet above the Arkansas River, giving us the stunning views of the gorge and the mountains. This is one of the highest suspension bridge in the world, and walking across, you are surrounded by the most incredible views of the gorge and the surrounding mountains. And the bridge even sways a little as you go, adding that little extra thrill to your walk. It's 1200 feet long and every step gives you a new perspective of this amazing scenery. So it's a definitely must visit for any view lover or thrill seeker. Next, the must-do activity in Royal Gorge is this river rafting on the Arkansas River right through the Royal Gorge. The rapids are perfect for adventure ranging from class 3 to class 5, so it is safe but super thrilling. Rafting here will give you a whole different view of the gorge. You are literally down in the canyon surrounded by these towering rock walls, and also the guides here are amazing. Will make sure everyone stays safe also while having good fun. Next up, it's my favorite adventure, the zip line. I must say, the Royal Gorge zip line is one of the coolest zip lines I've ever gone. They have got two courses with multiple lines where you're flying over the canyon and the river with speeds up to 45 miles per hour. This zip line combines speed, height, views all in one. So you get to fly above the gorge and see the whole area from a bird's eye view, which is incredible. If you love adrenaline, this is a must. It's fast, fun, and gives you a unique perspective of the gorge. So if you are an adventurer or thrill seeker, this is definitely worth checking out. The next amazing attraction in Royal Gorge is the Royal Gorge train. This historic train takes you on a scenic journey through the Royal Gorge, and we got seats in the Vista Dome car, which is definitely the best way to see everything. As you can see, the windows are huge and curve up over the roof, giving us the panoramic view of the landscape. These seats are super comfortable. The atmosphere is just perfect for a relaxing yet exciting journey. I must say one of the highlights of this trip is definitely the food. The Royal Gorge train offers an impressive menu with variety of delicious options. After enjoying our meal, I headed over to the open air car. This is where you can really feel the breeze and get an unobstructed view of the gorge. It's an unique experience to be out there, surrounded by the nature and the sheer beauty of Royal Gorge. Being in this open air car will give you a different perspective from the Vista Dome car, but everything is absolutely amazing. Wherever you go, you would see the Arkansas River and the Royal Gorge view. I must say, this is definitely a family-friendly option, so when you're in Colorado, this is a must-do. When you're in Royal Gorge, you also have to check out this hidden gem, Skyline Drive. This narrow one-way road offers some of the most breathtaking views in the area, and it's packed with interesting features along the way. Skyline Drive is a unique road that was built in 1905 using the labor from the nearby prison. It's a narrow one-lane road that runs along the top of the Razorback Ridge, offering stunning panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The drive is about 2.6 miles long. I must say the Skyline Drive is absolutely breathtaking and adventurous. One side you have sweeping view of the Cannon City and the Arkansas River Valley, while on the other side you can see the rugged terrain of the Royal Gorge region. While the skyline offers incredible views, it is also important to drive carefully. The road is narrow with steep drop offs on either side, and there is no guardrail in most sections. So, drive slowly, stay in your lane, and be mindful of the other vehicles and cyclists. They also have sharp turns, so take your time and enjoy the journey, but be safe. Alright, thrill seekers, there is one more activity which is here for you in this Royal Gorge, which is the Royal Gorge Sky Coaster. Imagine free falling over the gorge from 1200 feet in the air. It's like bungee jumping but with a swing. You're suspended over the gorge and then they pull the release, sending you swinging over the edge. It's a mix of pure thrill and jaw-dropping views. Not for the faint-hearted, but definitely unforgettable. Oh my god, that ride was intense. For those who love good adrenaline rush, this one is must do. You will feel like flying over the gorge. I do have something for hiking fans, that is the Tunnel Drive Trail in the Royal Gorge. It is a scenic 2-mile path right outside the Royal Gorge. It has 3 tunnels cut through the rocks and some great views of the river and the gorge. It's an easy walk, great for families or anyone who wants a quieter way to experience the gorge. It's a peaceful hike with amazing scenery. Last but not the least, the must do activity when you're in Royal Gorge is riding the Royal Gorge gondola. If you're up for a smooth scenic view from the above, please check out this Royal Gorge gondola. It glides over the gorge with the glass floors giving you a full view straight down. It is such a peaceful way to get the 360-degree view of the gorge. The gondolas are enclosed so you get the thrill of the height without the open air exposure, but you're safe inside to just look upon the gorge. This is perfect if you want amazing views without any big thrills. I must say it's a very smooth and comfortable ride, which is perfect for all ages. Okay, that's it for the video. That wraps up our incredible journey through some of Colorado's most spectacular attraction. From dizzying heights of the Royal Gorge Bridge to the serene beauty of Skyline Drive, Colorado truly offers something for everyone. I hope you enjoyed coming along on this adventure with me. Every corner of the state is filled with natural beauty and thrilling experience. Whether you are an adrenaline junkie or just to soak in some stunning vistas, Colorado is a perfect place to be. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it up a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more travel adventure and tips. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Check out my other travel videos for more exciting destinations and travel tips. We'll see you guys in the next adventure. Till then, keep watching and keep rocking, my lovelies. Bye.